Okay, let's take the antiderivative of 3x squared. So this is an indefinite integral because we don't see little numbers over here. And what do we need to do? Well, whenever we have something like x to a power, first of all, the constant we can actually just basically remove from the indefinite integral because it's just multiplying the x squared. So that's equivalent to 3 times the indefinite integral of x squared. And now what do we need to do? To be practical, I'm just gonna use this little formula here. If I have x to the n, so we're finding the integral of x to the n, we can add a 1 to the exponent and divide everything by n plus 1 as well. And in the end, we need to add a constant. Because after all, if we want to go the other way and we want to take the derivative of this, the derivative of the constant is 0. So we can add basically anything here. 200, a million, -10, whatever. Because the derivative of any constant is 0. So looking at the x squared here, I can add a 1 to the exponent and divide it by 2 plus 1 as well. So we get 3 times x. Oh, and I forgot to add a c. Maybe I can just add it in the end. So we get 3x cubed over 2 plus 1, 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so they cancel out. And we add the constant. I guess I'll leave it there as well. So here's our final answer, x cubed plus c. And now let's actually just take the derivative of this to make sure that we got this right. So what is the derivative of x cubed? Well, we bring the exponent down and multiply it by the x. We subtract 1 from the exponent, 3 minus 1, 2. And the derivative of any constant is just 0. But we don't have to write that. So that's just 3x squared. So we are correct. The antiderivative of 3x squared is x cubed plus c.